Import audio and adjust the beats. Place the images according to the beats. Change the aspect ratio to 3:4. Increase the size of the images to fit the canvas. Mask the second image using the split mask, as shown. Repeat the same process again. Apply animation as shown to the masked images. Open a new project file. Place the third image. Repeat the process again for this image, as done before, and apply animation to this image as well. Export the file. Place the exported file. Mask the exported file using film strip mask. Just doing some adjustments. Just do what I am gonna do, because this is very hard to narrate. Export the file. Crop the video. Apply some effects. Final transition video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.